Hello everyone, this is Devil20 and welcome to episode 3 of Forgecraft, where I'm killing a chicken that I just saw.
I just went past the jungle, my FPS dropped to 30. No, it's 45. Yeah, interesting.
I'm gonna see what Rorax built.
Yeah, I like the volcanoes though. They're pretty cool. Blue power, I presume?
Yeah.
We just got another lag.
Did we? Yeah, we're getting one right now, CBW, a lag spike. We just rubber banded.
Oh, Booze, I'm so sorry. He definitely built like a crusher over here that I should have put the ore in. I did not even realize that's what that was.
From that mod?
Yeah, from Create. Yeah, I think you
Nice.
throw it in
Is
the
this an
top.
RF crusher or
Where is
look at
that?
it.
This is mechanical power.
Do
It's its own system.
how do I?
Wait, it doesn't use Forge energy? Blasphemy.
How does this work though?
Not really, I'm just
Uses
kidding.
axles and cogs and
No,
stuff.
it's
You might
spinning.
not have it hooked up.
It's spinning.
Oh, okay.
Come here, Enderman.
I don't know.
That's one
Now, to be
hell of
fair, I've
building
got a
you've
stone
got
sword
there,
that's
Rorax.
mostly broken and no armor. But I'm gonna fight this
And it was
Enderman.
only 3 cuboids.
Are they intersecting each other or something?
And there's
Oh, I
lag.
think the ore.
Oh, and
Oh,
it
yeah, there it
actually,
goes.
yeah, it properly clears out the middle. Nice.
Yeah.
And where's
Oh, I'm
the
gonna
third
die.
cuboid?
There's literally no chance to survive.
Tower on the back.
So Dai, you're not alone. This Create mod doesn't handle the lag either. It's like stuttering back. Every
Yeah, it's
20
tricky, right?
It is.
sounds
Yeah,
like
Is it lagging now?
I mean, we're at
Yeah, I died again and
16.
it lags.
16 TPS, 61 per tick.
Yeah, I see 61.
Oh, and it's wait, it gives out ingots, but it's not smelting. What?
Oh,
It's just
don't
two
question that. Just let it
grinding wheels, but it's okay. No, yeah, I won't question. I'm bummed that I just melted all my iron.
So far, Dyer's died like 3 times, twice.
Oh, we don't. Have a
I'm
death
dying
counter?
a lot. No, absolutely. We're at that stage of Minecraft where dying is better than eating.
Yeah, I
think
solved
first
that
stage is
problem.
better.
Ugh, the rubber banding doesn't help.
No.
But I've got the Enderman down to like almost no health left. I should make a diamond sword,
crap.
but I'll get around to it.
Okay, so when you put in like a stack of ore, it spits it all out at once.
Really?
That's cool.
Yep. So I just got 42 gold ingots and then like 3 stacks of nuggets.
Soren, do you have a piece of food I can
No. Don't.
Boo, no ender pearl.
Oh. Spiders
Oh,
area.
that's
Can I have
like
left
a
string?
30% bonus. It's not nuts, but it's okay.
Thank
something.
you, my friend.
I should make a
And
diamond
that should
sword.
get me to bed that I so desperately want.
Actually, it says it's a
Thank you, my friend.
50% chance. So it should be
I was trying to avoid that.
50%.
Did you manage to kill the Enderman?
I killed one Enderman and he dropped
I'm gonna hide
nothing.
here until it's daytime.
And it made me decide that I want a diamond sword. And I technically have enough diamonds to afford that? Yes.
Careful, the skeleton behind the horse.
I think that's our only source of ore smelting better than one to
Tarek,
one.
where do I go to see this?
Oh, my place. It's not far from you guys. It's just
Northeast,
across the
southwest?
field. It's gonna be northwest, I think, for you.
Oh, I don't have a map. I don't know what direction northwest is.
F3.
F3 is
get a
confusing
map,
and
though.
scary to me.
Am I right now?
I know where you guys are. I can come over there if it wasn't
No, I.
Nah, it's
I,
alright,
I,
I'll find you. I'm just teasing.
very dark.
And there goes my sword.
Did you warp me?
Yeah, I can warp you back.
Please do.
I thought you wanted to be here.
Well, I do, but finding out how to get from one point to another is going to be beneficial.
I can show you the way back. I can
I'm
show you.
coming, I'm coming.
It's so
Oh yeah,
close,
Dyer's
sorry.
here.
Yeah.
It is really close.
Abuse of power.
Oh, is this the crusher thingy? That's cool looking.
Yep.
So the water wheels generate mechanical energy, and then this is your crusher that makes the doubling of ores?
Yeah. And you just drop it on the crusher.
That's neat.
Friend.
Oh no.
Here's a watermelon.
I don't think watermelon
Wait, there
has
is?
a recipe for it.
That's cool.
can
I like
tell you.
that. What other machines are in the Create mod? It looks like a bunch.
At create.
Yeah. But I mean, like, they're kind of multi-block, so they don't super tell you what they do. Maybe they do.
So
I don't know.
You've also got the press. You've also got
Oh.
the fan.
We
You've
didn't
also
sleep.
got the mechanical drill.
Who didn't sleep? Somebody didn't sleep. There's Vexes. No, wait, those aren't Vexes. They're
I
what?
have not slept.
What are those
Those
things called?
Those are phantoms.
Oh,
Phantoms, yes.
so I definitely right-clicked on your guys' bed.
Well, I'm sleeping.
I'll
Nowhere. Nowhere near anything I can
I'm
sleep.
disconnected.
I don't want
I
to
don't
sleep.
think
I
we're-
want an Enderman.
I don't think we're really at the point where we can
No sleeping. Oh, you're killing me.
Thank
farm
you.
Enderman
Someone
yet.
just said go to bed. I thought you said go to bed.
Well, Dire
I
wants
did.
Enderman, but everybody else is dying, so...
I know. I know.
Yeah, I died. I died like twice just trying to get back because it was dark.
Hello, Phantom.
Phantoms.
That was right. Yeah. That was
I'm annoyed because I did find one Enderman that night, and he didn't drop an Ender Pearl because that's the kind of
And he
guy
also
he
killed
is.
you.
I will never not accidentally right-click the sweet berries on the ground.
Rorax, if I kill you, do you drop an Ender Pearl?
Hey,
I wish someone should put that in their mod.
Murder. We're
And
actually.
then everyone puts that in their mod, and then I drop like 64 because it's 64
Oink.
different mods.
I'm on board.
Just keep
Make it so.
dying. Well, we want ender pearls.
They'll probably just make it so that if you kill Direwolf, you end up with one.
so
I mean, I would also be okay with that.
it looks like Create doesn't have any kind of...
I think we're getting the lag spike again, CPW.
Yep.
Oh yeah.
It feels like it's on a pretty regular time. Like, I wonder how exact that time is.
I'm wondering if it's something doing like some sort of cron-like task or periodic sync that's doing it.
Well, I'm looking at the CPU, and the CPU on the server doesn't really vary.
Could it be network related?
Could be I/O related. Could be network related. Let's watch I/O top.
And I'm just wondering if it's somebody doing some a timer of some variety.
Whoa, watch out.
Because it's about
Water
all that
skelly.
makes sense at the moment.
Yeah, I'm not doing anything like that, so I don't think it's me.
I like
need
the fact you called it a water skelly.
Oh, thank
Well, they're a thing.
Alright,
They get
YouTube
stuck in the
audience will
water
be back
and
once
they
I
can
find
just-
an Ender Pearl. Guys, we're back! I think I can make the thing I wanted to make now.
What did you do to that enderman? It's so loud.
I had to kill it! So I need two of
The
those.
one big problem with these fancy houses is they look like a complete pain to the light.
Oh, you mean like on the outside?
Oh, that's a lag spike, I think. Oh, wait, no.
Yeah, that was a really nice lag spike 2 minutes after the last one.
Yeah, I think it's something in the game. I'm gonna see if I can connect into the.
The question is it happening like every 2
We're gonna-
minutes like
Dart.
I suspected it?
Oh, oh, tire.
Baby zombie! I hate these things. Alright, I'm going downstairs. Soren, you want to come see my new thing? It's upgraded. I'm not getting the message that I changed the mode. I hope it's working. I think there's supposed to be a message that goes to the player when you shift right click that says you switch to 3x3 mode, but it didn't. So.
Where is the earth-shattering message?
Let's see.
Oh. Oh. That's a lot of particles.
Yeah. I mean, it's basically 9 times the particles.
So did you just rush your ridiculous 3x3 recipe?
I did. Yes, we can mine at the same time, Soren, but it's gonna double the speed.
Oh, interesting. So
Yeah,
we do.
because what happens is, so the way my mod works, right? Like when you start mining, it turns the block into a tile entity and records a durability integer. And then every tick that you hit it with a laser, it just minuses that. So if 2 lasers are hitting it, each laser's minusing it, right?
Okay. Yeah. So
Like-
just stack progress.
Actually, like I have like a working, like a testy thing. It doesn't work with rendering, but you can technically dual wield them. I disabled the ability for it to actually But like basically what I was doing before was saying like if you're dual wielding, then durability -2, and the laser renders properly. So here, let me borrow your laser for a minute. The trick is like how do you handle upgrades, right, with 2 lasers? Also, like your left-hand laser, I didn't set the
don't shoot
rotation
that
correctly
left-hand
on.
one. Just don't.
But like,
Oh, it's coming out of his mouth now.
is that cool? Yeah. See, it's like it's kind of there. It's there. No, it should be coming out of both my shoulders. No.
Yeah, let me see for a second.
So like I've been toying with like should this make you mine twice as fast? What do you think?
I think so.
So like the
Just
problem
make
becomes like what happens if you have disparate upgrades, right? And how do you handle that? Like try it. You try it. Like the laser looks good in first person.
Yeah, I like I'm firing my laser.
It's cool, right? It's cool, right? Like I'm debating whether I want to leave that in or not. The question becomes like, what I'll probably want to do if I leave that in is make it so that like the particles split up and like basically random chance which laser they go to. I haven't entirely decided like what I want to like. I have to do something with upgrades then, right? Like there's a lot of nuances, right? Like what happens if one laser has Fortune 3 and the other doesn't? You know what I mean?
Well, right now it feels like one will happen, the other one will not. Just like the.
Right, but like you're breaking one block with 2 lasers, right? What I'll probably have to do is write some kind of logic for that and decide what it should be. Like, should it be worst upgrade wins? Should it be best upgrade wins?
I'd say main hand should win if they're completely incompatible. Otherwise, you just add them together.
Yeah. So like Fortune and Silk Touch should not happen at the same time. But if they're not, like you said, incompatible, make it so it's just like an assist in Overwatch where you get that extra, like you also help with the kill.
That's fair. I mean, I get that.
Because if 2 people want to mine together, then they can, and they're not kind of competing with each other. So if I help you mine that middle block, you'll still do the 3x3.
Right. All right. So now we have to go to the. Can we go to the end? Or not the end, the Nether. We go to the
I was
Nether.
about to say, it's like.
Do we have enough obsidian for that? I saw you were mining
There's
some.
obsidian down here. Want a little more?
Yeah.
I'm actually kind of curious. If you were mining a 3x3 and one block is obsidian.
It does an average. So it literally it adds up all the durabilities and divides by 9.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, that's the math.
Which I kind of disagree with. I
don't
think
like
it should
that?
be the max.
Yeah.
Because otherwise, if you're, like, say, mining obsidian, you could just place, like, leaves next to it and mine it really fast.
Well, yeah, so I did that with Psy. I would place down a light and then just break all the obsidian. But I think that if a player's doing that intentionally, then it should be just rewarding them for kind of doing that kind of skill.
Right. Plus, don't forget, like, it does take some amount of time to place down leaves.
You could also just not do any of that and just have the lighter blocks break first. Like, why does every block have to be tied to the same timer?
Well, because imagine your middle one, you want all the blocks to break at the same time. The obsidian has to get separately. So
you could. There's like ways around that. You could like leave ghost blocks until they're all done. It gets a little weird.
Yeah.
Oh.
I guess you're right.
So one of my favorite things with Psy was the fact that you can place down a light and then break and get obsidian really fast, and you're like, you're cheating. It's like, I mean, maybe, but who cares?
Yeah, maybe cheating, but also fun.
This is why people need to use the new data generators. I can't put copper ore in a blast furnace.
Yeah, so you see how it's going faster when we're both mining it, Soren? Like, that's cool, right?
That is pretty good.
Yeah, you mine it there, Soren.
Is your inventory full?
Yes, it is.
Okay, I was like, why are these blocks popping up? I was like, is it competing us? Okay.
Yeah. Go ahead. No, so the way it works is the tile entity records the player who hit it first, and that's the player who gets the drop.
Ah, okay. That's a way to handle it. That's nice.
Yeah. It's a side effect of just the way I had to record on the tile entity who was mining anyway, right?
As a recommendation, if 2 people are shooting it and one person's inventory is full, go to the next person. Because otherwise you wind up like this scenario that's lava. It's like, oh, well.
So the thing is, I record that when I convert the block to a tile entity, and I don't update it every tick. In order to do what you're asking for, I have to update the TE every tick, which then requires syncing to the client, which hassle.
Well, I mean, the worst case scenario is you only check again. Well, I guess, yeah, you don't have who hit
Right.
anymore.
Yeah, because the tile entity's gone at that point, right? I mean, it's not gone. I give you the item right before I delete it, but yeah. Okay.
Right.
So how much you don't need to synchronize the owner to the client? No?
Yeah, the client has no need to know that information. This is kind of what I was talking
Oh,
about.
that's
where I was
true.
saying,
You're right.
like,
You're right. I don't. You don't have to
make
sync it, but you do have to. You would have to write it every tick then.
Yeah, the client should ideally be as dumb as possible and only know what it needs to know for rendering, which in this case is just progress, 0 to 1. That's kind of. I mean, I know that's probably a major refactor, so I understand.
Yeah.
Okay.
It shouldn't be too bad.
I need to bounce the server a second so I can try and diagnose this stupid issue.
Yeah.
Okay.
But like the client would have
You
to
have,
get
like,
the
10
data from
seconds
the
to
server
deal with
still,
the
right?
spider.
Yeah.
What was that, Dar?
The client would have to get the data from the server still. That 0 to 1 number, right?
Yeah, that
Right.
that would be what you would send, like
Right.
every.
So
tick
like,
or
why can't I just
whatever.
send my existing durability stat?
You could.
Right, because that's the only thing I use to calculate. Like, that's the only thing that changes that messes with rendering.
Yeah, I just find it nice to keep client data completely different and
I'm
separate.
out.
That way you don't end up in a situation where, oops, I was accidentally using the same value and it doesn't work in multiplayer or whatever, stuff like that.
Right. All right, we'll be back in a minute, guys, and we're going to the Nether. All right, we're back, guys. Soren, how much obsidian do you have on you?
I have 15, so I have enough. You want to go ahead and make a flint and steel if you haven't already?
Flint and steel, I can do that.
I'll just put this out of the way for a minute. Oh yeah, they have a new texture for obsidian. I forgot about that.
Yeah. I like a lot of the new textures. I'm going to say I don't think I love glowstone dust, though.
Yeah, I kind of miss the old redstone, old dust.
Yeah, like glowstone justice looks weird to me.
Yeah.
We're all genning, by the way. I don't know if you want to watch this, CBW.
Yeah, that. As soon as you said that,
I'm trying to connect to the thing. Oh,
Ah, gotcha.
massive lag.
You got finished eating finally, so I assume it's done.
Yep, that's a good way to tell.
This is effective.
Is this handy?
Amethyst.
I have haste, so this is even faster for the.
How do you have
Tinkers
haste?
is
Oh,
spamming
from
a lot of
the...
information about
the ability
block
bottle?
being placed.
Well, that's cool. Alex.
Yeah, last night, like, as I was putting in, like, the final touches to get the alpha in Soren, I was working on... I, like, actually looked up on the Minecraft wiki the calculations for pickaxes, because I wanted it to work... It's literally the exact same speed as a diamond pick for all cases, including... like haste and whatnot.
Alex, apparently Tcon is like printing out every block placement or something.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
Wait, what? Is that...
In the Nether.
Oh, in the Nether?
Oh, is it a world
Yeah.
gen thing?
It might be a world gen thing.
Yeah, it looks like it's a...
Yeah. That's. I mean, I don't blame you. I had stuff like that when I was messing with Forgecraft.
Oh, dude, like, I literally constantly have outputs to log
Yeah.
going on, so...
Yeah, I left a rendering test in that meant like umbrellas were like creating a native leak. And
I was like the ones like, I have a test. It's like, that's not. Why is this still here?
I just found 8 diamonds.
I was troubleshooting, like, a
Perfect.
packet not getting created once, and I, like, literally just had it, like, write to log, I am here every tick.
Who needs breakpoints, right?
That should be just production level code right there.
You know what
At
was
least-
funny? The breakpoint was going through, and it was still not running. And I'm like, why is this code... Like, I'm watching it go through, and it's not actually doing the thing it says it's doing. And, of course, it wound up being a client-server sync issue, because that's what everything is, but still.
Ah, yeah.
It's weird.
I
expect a new recipe.
I think on the bright side, at least we don't do things to standard out anymore.
I do
Speak for yourself.
system.out.println.
Yeah.
That's the problem, and I've basically told people who work on mods I work on, do not ever use it, because if people screw around and forget it, it's hard to...
Well, we do
it's
have
very
the
hard to
logger
find
wrapping
who did
now.
it.
But
Right.
it is, yeah.
Back then it was impossible.
It's still not perfect.
I have glowstone. It looks super
Me
weird,
too.
but I have it. I like the
Okay.
block a little better, to be honest, but even then, it still looks weird.
I mean,
Done
I'm trying to
itself.
decide if it's different or if it's bad. You know what I mean?
I don't like the dust item because it looks like sand. To be honest. It
Right.
doesn't
Yes.
look
That's
like-
that's my big thing is I don't like the dust. That one I definitely don't like.
Yeah. The block looks
I don't-
better. It's not. It'll less noisy.
I have problems with a couple of the item textures. Most of the block textures are improvements.
I miss the ingots. To be honest, the ingots
Yeah.
were set.
I don't really understand why they changed some of the like super classic textures. Because it's
There has
like,
to be more consistent across the board. So all
I get it.
textures look-
Yeah, but then it's like all their merch and everything ever is wrong.
All right, Soren, I've got a new upgrade.
Diamonds.
Hey, all you complainers, I would like to point you to press escape.
And resource
I
packs.
wanna do a resource
I
pack. You
know.
can't
I
tell
know.
with the
That's the
resource
thing.
packs.
I like it in general, like 90%.
I do. No, I do too.
So I don't want to just disable it. If I was gonna change
Yeah.
it, I'd install Unity.
And I probably will end up installing Unity.
It's all Unity. I have Unity running in the background. It's my notifier.
No.
So now maybe I want to grab
Unified
efficiency.
texture pack. Sorry.
He's never got that joke
died.
before. It even says it's in the picture on the README. It's like, yes, I know it was a bad name. It's not the game engine.
Mine is the game engines. Ah.
I don't think I have quite enough lapis.
Have I crashed yet? No, actually I have. Well, I mean, okay. Granted, there is. I'm gonna laugh if I log off and there's no expects to go away.
All right, Soren, come on up. I got a new upgrade. Actually, I got 2 new upgrades I'm making now.
All right, I'm coming through the portal.
Vanilla biome placement makes me so grumpy.
That was a bit of lag there. I think that was world gen.
I don't know if I like it nighttime.
It wasn't a spike. It was just like a couple blocks went back.
I feel so weird with the mining gadget because before I would have a pickaxe in my first slot and I can't right click with the pickaxe, but now it's
Yeah.
gadget.
Come on.
So with this
Here you go, buddy.
crusher
Go downstairs and try it out.
thing,
Whoa.
do you need? What is the name of the block?
Do it in
you need
the
to actually-
mining caves.
Oh, brace.
Waiting for server. Rubber banding in 3, 2, 1. Whoa!
Wow, that
Yep.
was pretty spot on.
Yep.
Oh,
Ow.
what did you do? A light placer. Oh. And
You like
because my
that?
haste is making it go super fast.
Well, I also installed efficiency 3.
Oh, even better. There we go. I've gone too far.
Pretty good, right?
Exactly what I was looking for.
It gets really good, right? Like even more redstone. I think I have enough redstone to do efficiency 5. I think. Come on, Soren. Let's go put efficiency 5 in there. Come with me. I want efficiency 5 plus your haste, and then we're gonna go mine. All right, toss me back the gadget so I can exchange it.
Yeah.
Found an underwater ravine at diamond level. Sure enough, diamonds.
Ross, what was your question about the crushing wheel?
Is there
Extract
like a
efficiency
turny
3.
thing or something you need to add for it?
Yeah, you need to add mechanical power, so you're gonna need like a windmill or a water wheel.
Okay, I'll take a look at that in a second.
I've made a fatal error. I might drown. Nope, I'm good.
So efficiency just winds up being tons and tons of redstone, like the higher level you want to go.
Yeah, I saw that where it's just a daisy chain of stuff. All right,
Let's
we're gonna
try
go
it.
all
Let's
the
try
way
it at the diamond level, and let's see how
Yeah.
fast it is on stone. I think you will be very happy, Soren.
down. What was my haste?
It
like?
is a diamond pickaxe speed. So imagine a diamond pickaxe with efficiency 5 and haste.
No, that's very fast.
Yeah, it's pretty good. I
Alright,
think you'll like it.
alright.
And I'm just curious to
So-
see because, like, when you get into the small number of ticks here is when you have those really weird client server desyncs.
So it's 3 to 3.
That is lovely. How do you get polished andesite then?
Nice.
Down I go!
You like it? CPW, this is you. This is the CPW mining mode.
So this is the point where the laser stopping and starting feels odd.
Yes. So now this is also
I'm
the
gonna
point
show
where you
my
probably
screen
want
right now.
Void Junk upgrade installed.
Yeah,
Your diamond.
that's pretty much the thing. Yeah,
Is that good enough for you, CPW? Are you down with that?
yeah, I'm down with that. I can
Amount of
get
power.
behind that idea.
Okay. I've made CPW happy. I'm down, right? Yeah.
All right. Anyway, I'm still trying to figure out how to even connect to this.
Do you have some kind of magnet, Soren?
Yes.
Oh, okay. I was gonna say those items are following
I was like,
you.
wait, why are you saying that? I have all the items chasing me.
Yeah. So FYI, efficiency does increase cost. Like,
I saw that.
Yeah.
Are you able to do it through a socks proxy, CPW?
Tried it. It's not connecting properly.
Oh, there's more diamonds right here. Holy crap. Right in front of me.
that's awesome. So so what do you think, Soren? Like, overpowered? Pretty good? Thoughts?
I'm not a fan of the recipe for efficiency. I'm not saying it's overpowered for it. I just don't like having to do the daisy chain of this one in. I do like that you can use each step, but I think it should have a little bit minor changes each time.
Right. Like if I had to like void efficiency 1 once I got efficiency 2, I would hate that, right? I definitely wanted to implement like upgrading from 1 to 2 to 3.
That
to 4
nature
to 5.
should be good, but I would argue that you probably want to gate each level behind some stage. So redstone would be the first one, maybe redstone for the second one, just to prove that you have a lot. Next one, just add some other item to it.
Okay.
Like nether quartz.
So like 2 might throw some lapis in there, 3 some quartz, 4 some diamonds, and 5 some emeralds. Does that sound reasonable?
Potentially, yeah.
Okay.
Something like that.
Yeah, I'm down with that. That's an idea. So, what I was roughly basing it on, because making recipes is like the worst part of modding, by the way. I hate every part of it. It's literally the worst part. Like coming up with recipes and then writing them in the JSON, like every part of that is terrible.
Don't write JSON anymore.
You don't have to do that?
No, you can use data generators. I've been like preaching about this everywhere I can.
I don't know what those are.
No,
Come
I
on,
know.
it's me. I don't know
Nobody
anything.
does. I know, that's the problem. Nobody does.
We don't have
I
to.
avoid those JSONs because they're nothing but an annoyance. And especially with some of the mods that I work with, like, they're really an annoyance because it's all these little variants.
Then start using data generators.
If you can tell me what they are, I will use them.
I will link you to the Forgecraft ones.
Okay.
After.
One thing.
But yeah, so basically, Soren, what I did is I kind of gave up because I was mostly frustrated with trying to figure out what the recipe should be, and I'm just like, well, what does Tinkers do? Tinkers throws a ton of redstone to make it fast. It throws a ton of lapis to make it. The recipe for fortune upgrades is kind of stupid, I admit, but
Yeah.
That's your first mistake, because what you should be doing is balancing against vanilla, not against another mod.
Yeah. So
that's fair enough.
your fortune upgrade, I would say, might be a little bit too much lapis for the first tier upgrade. Second one, you want to make it so it seems like go for diamond, and then the third one emerald.
Right.
Because those are the things
lag.
you're actually going to be using for fortune.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. I'm gonna change it, right? I just wanted something on there so that
Yeah, of course.
like we could play with it. I had to come up with
By the way,
something
the roll
semi-reasonable.
band seems to be about 5 minutes. I've been counting.
Yeah, it feels like every 5 minutes to me as well, Rorax.
One upgrade that would be nice is energy storage upgrade capacity.
Yes, that's planned. I think I'm gonna do storage, but I don't think I'm gonna do RF cost reduction. So I'll let you have
Well,
more
you can make
storage,
them
but I'm not gonna
incompatible.
let you make it cheaper.
So you can do one or the other.
I'm just gonna make you let you store more. Like, I think it's already cheap enough in terms of mining. Like, I might actually make it cost more RF.
Hey, Diet, your upgrades are already, like, based on vanilla values. Why not make the mining laser enchantable?
I considered that, but I wanted to... I mean, I kind of wanted the upgrade cards, because I need them for other things anyway.
Upgrade with mending. So experience recharges your tool.
I would need to math out what a
Vanilla
reasonable
would
amount would
recharge your
be,
tool
but
outside of
maybe.
just coal.
Maybe.
Because maybe what you want to do is have a blank card
Right.
combined with the appropriate item with the appropriate enchant, and I say any item with that enchant. So if it had like sharpness and efficiency, it's going to see the efficiency and go, you want an efficiency card.
Right. Maybe.
Okay, I need to bounce the server again.
Okay, we'll be back. Actually, guys, I'm just going to wrap up the episode here. So we'll come back next episode. For now, Del 20 signing off. Hope you enjoyed it. Take it easy.